Hey, I'm back, and I'm here to show you my quick eyebrow tutorial. I get a lot of inboxes on how I do my eyebrows, you know, because I don't have those thick full brows, so I get a lot of questions about them on a daily. Like, I might want to go in business doing eyebrows. That'd be a cute little coin. Yeah. But yeah, this is what I do. It's quick, it's easy. I only use 2 products, or 3 if you want to be extra, but really just 2 products, and this is it. So if you want to know how I achieve this quick, simple eyebrow look, stick around. So starting off, I want to use my Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit, and my color is 5. And what I like about this is it's kind of expensive, but what I like about this is that it has the spoolie in it. Is this so? This is for like if you don't have thick, bushy brows. So it's very simple. So first off, you want to brush your brow. You know, in the front part, I go upward like this, and then towards the end, I just go down. And you know, it's good to like you know, clean them up with a small blade. So I just start by doing my normal shape. I follow my arch from where I cleaned it up. So I do the bottom part first. I just do a line. See that? So then with the top part, I go back on top and I just do like this. Well, basically, you know, I know all the nail shops or whatever, they're closed right now, so what I've been doing is just cleaning them up on my own, and then just, you know, filling it in. This is what you do. Make sure you get that end part. So they say your eyebrows they won't be identical, but they at least need to be sisters. Sometimes mine are second cousins. I'm just gonna be honest. You know, some days they're identical, and then some days they don't even look like they related. Like, but hey, you know, normally if I'm in a hurry, you know, they kind of look like second, third cousins if I'm in a hurry. And then like at the front of it, you just want to do it like that, but you don't want that square. So, cause when I first started doing my eyebrows, I had like that block look. So what I started to do is just use my spoolie like this, and take it the other way, just like this. When I say this is the easiest brow, like it's not all the extra stuff, it is very basic, very easy. And this is for people like me that have thin brows. Like I envy people that have thick bushy brows, but I don't have that. So I have to draw mine on. Like when I go to the nail shops to get them waxed, I tell them like, don't take any hair off. Like I don't even have hair for you to take off. Like just arch, like put an arch in it, clean it up, but do not like give me sad faces. Cause like I remember back in the day, like I could post pictures, oh my goodness, my eyebrows look like sad faces, and nobody told me that my eyebrows look like crap. So yeah, you know, eyebrows is like a trial and error type thing. That's it. That was quick. What, 4 minutes? That was quick. So And then after that, you want to take your concealer. You want to take a an angle brush, this angle, and you want to just take your concealer and you want to clean it up. Now, normally my eyebrows are the first thing that I do. This is my first time doing my whole face and then doing my eyebrows. This is new to me. What I normally do is when I go to clean it up, you just want to do a thin line just to clean it. And I know some people, when they do this, they have like that line and you can see the concealer, like, and I hate that. I think they call that like a halo brow or something like that. Like, I hate it. So what I do, I drag it down like this, and I would use this the concealer that I'm dragging down. I use this as my base for my eyeshadow. But since I already have eyeshadow on, I just want to clean it up a little bit. So I'm just gonna do like this. Make sure you get that front. I don't want them to look crazy because I hate, like, and also with your concealer, you want to do something that's like close to your skin color. Now, I know, like, when you put concealer under your eyes, you want it, if you want that brightening effect, you'll do a lighter concealer. With your eyes, I do a concealer that's almost close to my skin tone, so it's not noticeable. So, like, so basically, I use 2 different concealers for my face. Then you just want to go back. This is the brush I use to do my shadow, and I just want to blend all that out. So you won't see that concealer that I put on to clean it up with. And when you're doing your brows, try not to, because I mean they won't look right. So try not to do that when you're doing them. I used to put highlight on my brow bone. For some reason, I just stopped doing it. I don't know why, but you know, I'm not the biggest fan of highlights. It's cool or whatever, but it's not something that I have to do. So, go back. And that's it. That's your brow. You done. You can go. That's it. So, because I get so many inboxes about my brows. And basically, this is it. This is what I do now. Sometimes I have, like, I do it too much right here, and I have like a unibrow. And when I do that, I just take my sponge. This is the same sponge I put on my foundation. And I just do like this to clean it up so I won't look like, I don't like those dramatic brows and all of that. I just like something clean, simple, to the point. So this is it. This is my go-to. So basically, all I used was my Benefit Brow Pencil. And I think I got this from Sephora. I think this is what it was, like $25. You really don't even need this. Like, you can go and get a cheap eyebrow pencil. And then I took my concealer and then I just cleaned it up with this. And basically that's it. Sometimes I have done this. Sometimes I take a black eyeliner pencil. I know, don't click off. Just trust the process. A black eyeliner pencil. And I will go in and just do, you know, some hairs. It just makes it a little bit darker, but not too dark. So you just really doing this, like, you kind of creating fake hairs. It kind of just makes it a little bit darker. You know, really it's just Natalie being extra. I'm gonna keep it wide. It's just me being extra. But yeah, and you ready to go. Your eyebrows are done. So what you think. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time.